That's gonna be big lit.
Yeah, lit.
It's gonna be what? Lit. Welcome to Locked Behind the Plate with Jazzy Monet. And I got a special guest with me.
Jordan!
You're so silly. Okay, boom. What are we eating today?
We are eating carrots, melons.
Ooh.
What's that?
Fries.
Fries.
We got some ranch wings. Ranch seasoning wings. We got some loaded nachos.
Yeah, and we have vegetables. We have chicken.
Yep. And I have chicken as well. I got hot lemon pepper, but I'm kind of hot because they didn't make them extra wet, and that's usually how I like my wings. But let's get to it. Oh, let's do a thumbnail, Weedy. Let's see. Okay, ready? Pause.
This tastes pretty good.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
What it tastes like?
Huh? Is it? I'm taking.
What it tastes like?
It tastes chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, with like turkey.
So, Weedy, what did you do today? How was your day?
Good.
Hold on. I asked you 2 questions. What did you do today?
I did gymnastics in my leg.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Y'all, these wings are so good.
And 3 carrots.
Oh, you want some ranch to dip it in?
Here.
Oh, y'all, too. I have sour cream salsa for the nachos. This is a lot of food, so I don't know. Because together, this is 20 wings. So we're about to see what we about to do. Hold on, I feel like mine. Oh, did I say lock behind the plate?
Yeah.
I said that?
Yeah.
Okay. It's called lock behind the plate because we have locks. But I have a head wrap on, so you can't see my locks.
But I got locks because you can see my locks.
Okay. Okay, little boo-boo. So, yeah. These hot wings are really good. I'm just kind of hot. Like I said earlier, that they're not extra wet. Sorry about that. I had a phone call coming in on my watch. See, people love to get to dancing when they food good. What are y'all favorite wing flavors?
The sour ones are the good ones.
Well, you know I like hot wings.
I don't like the hot wings. I just like the
Ranch.
the ranch one.
This is really good.
And I hope you guys, if you watch our video, if you watch our videos, subscribe and
They need to subscribe.
yeah. If
You heard that? Weedy says subscribe.
If you don't watch our videos, you will have to click that bell.
Click the notification bell. Y'all gotta click the notification bell because Weedy said so.
Yes.
So make sure y'all do that. So whenever we upload a new video, y'all will be notified kindly. But yeah, what other food videos should we do? I mean, I eat just about anything. I do want to try Indian food. I never had Indian food before. It looks really good. What else?
Ew.
You don't want to try Indian food? You like Vietnamese?
Yeah.
I don't know. This is really good though. Y'all, I keep saying this is really good.
I know it's good.
I'm all over the place. I really don't know what to talk about. I don't really talk much when I'm eating, but I don't know. But this is my first meal of the day, and it's 4:01. The fries. Oh, you're not gonna eat the chicken? You don't want no more chicken?
I'm gonna eat the chicken.
So today in gymnastics, well, in ballet, they had the parents dance with the kids. Y'all, I wasn't prepared. I was in there with my head wrap on. I just wanted to chill today. But it was actually really fun. It was a good little workout with the kiddies. They were super turned. Getting ready for a recital that Jordan has in June. That's going to be big lit.
Yeah, lit.
It's going to be what? Lit.
And
y'all heard that.
And today's it's about to be Valentine's Day.
Tomorrow is Valentine's Day?
Yeah,
What are we doing for Valentine's Day?
So we are about to put our decorations up and get some decorations, drive, and so we better come back in the house and put decorations, and they about to stay their decorations still.
Y'all, I didn't even know we were doing decorations, but I guess that's something that needs to happen now.
Because they padded to put their decorations.
Mm-hmm. That ranch is good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, so little Weedy, she eats everything. She's not picky. What's your favorite food, Weedy?
Sushi, avocados, and tacos, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, and our favorite. And Vietnamese and Taco Bell.
Okay. Weedy likes to eat.
Yeah.
Weedy like pancakes too, y'all.
And Japanese.
Or Japanese food. Like arigatos.
Mm-hmm.
Arigatos is our spot. And for all my friends, y'all know, we love arigatos.
And they have another Taco Bell at their Taco Bell because they have two Taco Bells that you have to go drive at and eat at. And if you could drive there or eat there or something, you could just eat there or just deliver the food or something.
At Taco Bell?
Yeah. I'll pick up your food.
You want to eat some more chicken?
No, ma'am. Let's get you back out.
Say what? You such a fun baby.
I know. And guys, if you love all the places that you like to go to a lot of the stores and eat there. If you like to go a lot of stores, and you would disappear to the candy store. And you will be in our house. You will disappear in our house and stuff. And then later you will do. But anyways, so we was this eat food and stuff. If you want to eat my food, if you don't like my food or mama food, hit and then see our video. If you don't, that's what we had to do.
Mm-hmm. What Weedy said.
And we watched our own videos.
We gonna watch our own videos?
Yeah. That us and her, we are about to watch our own videos. That we was doing our camera videos. And so we will do that. And next time, we are just about to bring you in our house and to pick you up, but next time, later, when we wake up in the morning.
Hold on, wait, you inviting people over to do mukbangs with us? To eat with us?
Yeah, sure. Mukbangs.
Mukbang. Mukbang. It's, you know. Yo, big shout out to Cuzzo. Cuzzo AB. Y'all. I love watching her videos. Like, she really inspired me. I'm sorry, I got stuff all on my hands, but Cuzzo.
Wipe your hands.
I'm gonna wipe them.
And Cuzzo, I just like her.
You like Cuzzo videos too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never watched her videos before.
I thought you liked her, but you ain't never seen Cuzzo?
I've never seen her.
You seen Cuzzo?
Oh yeah, I did. What it was?
She wear the hat.
Oh yeah, she wears the hat, and then she be saying,
Cuzzo. What she say?
What we back with another mukbang.
What, another banger?
Banger. So they just be saying that.
But yeah, shout out to Cuzzo.
Yeah.
You are inspiration, y'all. Go check out Cuzzo videos. Super dope.
Now do all that stuff.
Y'all, I really look rough today. Can y'all tell me about some new shows on Netflix? But yeah, so I was watching You on Netflix, which is actually pretty good. I finished it. I binge watched that in a day. Like, literally, as soon as it came to Netflix, I watched it. What else did I watch? This is other show called Safe House. Safe House is really good. Yeah, you gotta watch that. I don't even want to tell you what it's about. It's a very suspenseful show, but it's definitely worth watching. I think I binge watched that whenever we had a snowstorm. Look at that.
Oh, you did for chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, why did you do that? I like dipping chickens. That was loud. Guys, if you don't like carrots or yes, you will have to eat the carrots because they taste really good. If you don't like spinach, eat the spinach. If you don't want spinach,
Oh yeah, what's y'all favorite part of the wing? I got all flats, as you can see. I don't know if y'all noticed that as I've been eating, but I like flats.
You said cat?
Flat.
Flats?
Flat wings.
Flat wings?
This is the flat wing.
Oh, yeah.
You got flat wings too.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, flats are my all-time faves. Yeah, that's what I like. What part of the wing do y'all like? Let me know. Comment and let me know.
Yeah. If you like my better, mommy better, we are about to do a challenge. What's this for you?
What you do?
This is so good. I hope I like this, but I like carrots. I like carrots. They taste really good. I don't like, I like steak, but I like the lightest steak, but I don't eat steak. But I don't like the steak. Dad feed me steak, and I liked it at Grandma's house. Guys, do you ever see me while I was a baby, when Mommy was carrying me? Dad got that picture right there. And if you don't see that, if you didn't see that, well, guys, you would have to see that.
She wants y'all to see a picture of her when she was a baby.
Yeah. If you see my daddy while I was a little baby,
Yeah, I looked down and I had 10 hot wings. I looked down and I got 4 left. I don't even remember eating that many. I just been talking to y'all. doing my thing out
now
here.
you could eat some of that. That's a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. It's okay. I think with stuff like this, when we're doing the mukbangs, we're probably not going to be able to do too many nachos and stuff unless I'm making it at home, because to go, you know, you traveling with it and it kind of gets soggy with the nachos. That's the only thing. That's something you got to sit down and eat. But it's good. The flavors are good. Jake's has really good food. If you're in Greensboro, you got to check out Jake's. They're really good. But
you ever see a little baby eating carrots in a bunch of food? And his belly was fat?
Mm.
The little baby was in a bunch of food in his mouth. And he can't hold it. But he ate all of the food. It was so funny. It was a big old fat one. And then the house was breaking. Like he was rolling around when he fat stuff. Like he turned into a ball. He was like, oh.
Anybody with kids know what I'm going through. Weedy has a very what's the word? Elaborate imagination. And I hope I'm using that right, but it's definitely there. Definitely. I feel like I got chicken in my teeth. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, Weedy, she's you know what I'm trying to say.
Comment below if you don't know what Mama's saying.
So today I actually wanted to do like the really hot, the ghost pepper wing challenge, but y'all, I was so hungry that I was gonna be mad if I got 10 of them hot wings and couldn't eat them. That was gonna be terrible, very bad, tragic. Yeah, we got a lot of leftovers.
Yeah, we got a lot of leftovers. So Mommy have a lot of bones. I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3. You got 3 left.
Yep. 3 wings left, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to eat the rest of them on camera for y'all.
Yep.
I'm getting full though.
No, we didn't eat that.
Okay, y'all. The camera died. So I'm gonna have to insert this part of the video. But yeah, we didn't finish eating our food. But I'm pretty full.
Because I'm eating
Carrots! You heard her. But yeah, so I guess next time I'll just film on my phone instead of doing it on my camera, because my battery died fast and I just put brand new batteries in that camera. So yeah. But thanks for watching our video. I hope you loved it. It's our first mukbang, so bear with us. We will get better with time. I promise you we will. But yeah, please rate, comment, share, all that good stuff you're supposed to do. And do the thing. We'll see you next time on our video.